to the phone screaming, word already in my face. Everybody wants a piece of me, everybody needs a yesterday. Emails stack like prison bars, deadlines breathing down my neck. Another voice, another demand, another where the hell is it at? It's too loud, it's too much. Every day feels like a loaded gun. I keep smiling, I keep grinding, but inside I'm coming undone. I just wanna silence the noise, shut down the world for a while, walk away from all the bullshit, disappear for a couple miles. No demands, no deadlines, no voices pulling me apart. I just wanna silence the noise and hear the beating of my heart. Oh, my heart. Everybody's got opinions, everybody's got a plan. Everybody knows what I should do, but they ain't the one I am. Bosses barking, bills keep calling, time keeps slipping through my hands. I'm tired of running on empty, tired of being their working man. It's too loud, it's too much. I need room enough to breathe. Every chain they wrap around me takes another piece of me. I just wanna silence the noise, shut down the world for a while, walk away from all the bullshit, disappear for a couple miles. No demands, no deadlines, no voices pulling me apart. I just wanna silence the noise and hear the beating of my heart. Let the phone die, let the world wait, let the clock fall off the wall. I don't owe them every second, I don't have to carry it all. Somewhere past the pressure, somewhere past the grind, there's a place where